guys, I'm Arian though. I'm a Filipino. Of course, I'm a Filipino though. Do you know Sabsaban River? Then look at this. Look at this, guys. This is Sabsaban River. That people can swim. And this is the little river. And that's a hole. Guys, that's all the people can want to swim in Sabsaban Falls. And this is my father, Tito, and Buds. And this is kinda long though. It's kinda dumb a little. So, so, anyways, let's go find Tita. Let's go! This is Tita. This is Sabsaban School. So, this is a food.
Luto na ngayon.
Food.
Ito po ang niluluto natin.
Food.
Yeah.
So much food. Okie dokie. This is. You know this. I don't know my word. Okay. That's okay. Kuya Nonong? Anong oras na?
Ha?
Ano na ngayon?
Try ngayon.
Oh, okay.
Birthday ni Tita Bibi ba?
Ang ano? So, let's go. Happy birthday to my tita. Let's go. Tita, happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to my auntie. Obviously, it's her birthday. Of course. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Secret. Okay, bye.